Imagine a flashlight, so bright it could be seen from the other side of the universe.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Now, imagine that flashlight has the power of 1 billion suns. Welcome to the world of gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs, the universe's way of saying, look at me, and stay away at the same time. These are the biggest explosions since the Big Bang itself. So, where do these cosmic tantrums come from? Most long-duration GRBs happen when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses into a black hole. According to NASA's Swift Observatory, as the star dies, it focuses its dying breath into two narrow, hyper-energetic jets. If one of those jets happens to point directly at Earth, well, our telescopes get a front-row seat to the most violent event in physics. Not all bursts are created equal. Scientists, like those publishing in the Astrophysical journal, categorize them by how long they last. Under 2 seconds? That's a short GRB, usually caused by two neutron stars smashing together like cosmic symbols. Over 2 seconds? That's a long GRB, the signature of a collapsing giant. It's the difference between a camera flash and a sustained laser beam. In 2022, we witnessed the B.O.A.T, the brightest of all time. This burst was so strong it actually ionized Earth's upper atmosphere from 2 billion light-years away. If this had happened inside our own Milky Way, let's just say we wouldn't be here to talk about it. It's a good thing the universe is mostly empty space, right? These bursts aren't just scary, they're useful. They act like cosmic lighthouses, illuminating the gas and dust in the furthest reaches of space. By studying the light of a GRB, astronomers can see what the universe looked like when it was just a toddler. They are the ultimate tools for cosmic archaeology. The universe is loud, violent, and incredibly bright if you know where to look. But here's a thought. If a GRB hit Earth millions of years ago, could it have caused an extinction event we don't know about? What do you think? Is the next big one already on its way to our telescopes? Let me know in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.